Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making some homemade seed starting mix, and I just wanted to show you guys how to do it. It's very simple, and it only requires 3 different ingredients that I've got right here, and a large pot or container to mix the seed starting mix into. And so the first thing you're going to want is just a small measuring implement of any kind. It can be anything. I'm just using this little bucket, but you can use like a yogurt container or anything really. It just depends how much seed starting mix you want to make. So the first thing we're going to need is coconut coir. This is just made from coconut husks. You can also use peat moss, which does the same thing. And we're gonna use two containerfuls of this stuff. Okay, so that's the base. This is basically the base of the mix. So, 2 parts of coconut coir. Next is 1 part of perlite, which is a white volcanic rock that helps for aeration and drainage. You can also use another product called vermiculite, which is, it kind of looks similar, but it's like a grayish volcanic rock. You can use either one, or you can use both. But right now I'm going to use perlite. So that's what it looks like. And you just dump it right in. And with perlite, it's important to mention that you should try and avoid breathing it in because it's very dusty. So when you're, you can either wear a mask or you can just kind of like not put your head right into the container. Try and avoid breathing in the dust. Okay, so that was 1 part of perlite. The last ingredient that you're going to want is 1 part compost. Now, this is just store-bought compost that I bought from a garden center. It's organic, it's really good quality. You're going to want something really fine for seed starting mix, which is why I think it's better to use something store-bought that's really good quality to have more assurance that your seeds are going to germinate and have a healthy environment. So. That in there. Alright, and then we're just going to mix it all up. And just mix it and mix it and mix it until it's all mixed together. Now the last thing you're going to want to do is just add some water. Just add enough water to make it really like stick together, you know. You don't want it loose. If you want it so it's like nice and clumpy. That's going to make it easier to fill the seed trays. So that's basically it. Now you can, this is ready to go, and I can fill my seed trays and start planting. So that's basically all you need to do to make homemade seed starting mix and save yourself a bunch of money from buying it at the store. Thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of this video, and let me know if you have any comments or questions, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.